Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disable your Okta FastPass, right? So first up, go log into your admin account. Now once you're in here, go to the top and click on admin. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, Okta Verify or Okta FastPass just popped up. So just go ahead and click on yes, it's me. Okay, just wait for it to load. As you can see here, we are now being logged in to the admin section. Now in here, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on security and just click on authenticators. Okay, in here under setup, go ahead over to Okta Verify, and in the right side, just click on the drop down that says action and click on edit. And here, as you can see, we have Okta FastPass sign-in page option. Just basically disable this one and then disable Okta FastPass for all platforms right here. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down, and in here we have the save button. Just click on save. And once done, the next time you try to log in or go to the admin section, right here, Okta FastPass shouldn't be available anymore. As you can see, there are no pop-ups, okay? And when you click on verify with something else, you don't have the FastPass option. And that is it. That is how you disable Okta FastPass. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.